Welcome to the video, guys. Today we have an interior detail on this Kia and it's absolutely trashed, so stay tuned. When I heard the car was a 2017, I was excited because I thought it would be really clean. But the first time I saw this salvage Kia, I knew I had something really dirty on my hands. It was rough inside and out. After scraping the auction writing off the windows, the owner took the car back to get repairs done. This detail is mobile, so it makes it a lot harder to do, but I've got all the tools and products that I need to transform the inside of this Kia. And as always, links to anything used can be found in the description below. Right off the bat, I noticed a ton of wear on the driver's side carpet area, which is pretty odd for 2017. Because this Kia was used like a storage shed, every inch of this interior is coated with leaves, dust, and a few deep scratches. It's time to pull out all this stuff. And underneath the dirt, these seats are all stained up. After all the large items were out, I'm removing the seats and disconnecting the battery. Taking out the seats was more complicated than I thought because of all these different clips. For the carpet solution, I'm using LA's Totally Awesome mixed with some soap, and this combination always gets the job done. Now I'm going through and cleaning the seats first so they have more time to dry. This carpet was a nightmare to work with because of how cheap and Velcro-like it is. I ended up pulling out quite a bit of pet hair, which you can see on the close-up shots. I'm really glad I got those seats out because all of this stuff was hiding under there. I'm going over some of the dirtier areas with the drill brush and then vacuuming up whatever comes off. So with this cheaper carpet, I am noticing it's clumping up quite a bit. To combat that, I'm going to use just water in the extractor. Check out all that dirt the extractor pulled out already. If you found this video satisfying, be sure to drop a like below and tune in to part 2 where we finish up this interior and even do some paint correction on this rental.